Hey everybody, Bob Burke, brand manager for Galeon Yachts in the Americas. We are down here in Key West for our third annual Galeon Yachts Owners Rendezvous. Super excited to share with you over the next few days what's happening, and if you couldn't make it here this year, we sure hope to see you here next year. Since we didn't do our first night dinner, we've got a nice charcuterie board if you want to snack on some of this here. Refrigerated if not, and then Airy Marine is one of our sponsors. They do fenders and docking products and lines and stuff, so all kinds of custom stuff. And they did, we didn't know the name of the boat at the time, so we just put your name on it. So
that's fine, thank you.
Enjoy, and thank you for being here. Yep.